Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm continuing working on my GMC Sierra, and the plan for right now, or today's episode, not actually today's episode, it's for right now, is to get this GMC to the Leschwab so they can do the alignment once again on it. Here it is. Everything looks good. I love the way it shines right now, man. It looks so clean, so nice. I can't wait to get a long road trip on it. I planned something. I want to test it out, drive a couple hundred miles and see what kind of issues gonna come out or not, if there are any gonna come out. Hopefully not. And thank you some of you guys that reach out to me via email, Instagram, DMs, and everywhere possible comments about the HVAC system, the heater unit. That's actually can be programmed. I didn't know that. Thank you for letting me know about it. I'll go to my buddies. He got the scanner. You guys saw that scanner already. I'll try it and program it. If that will work, two things gonna be left over to do is the angle sensor replace, and the flares needs to be repainted. And of course, Kicks, he's closing the cage and he's like, "Let me out, daddy. Let me out. Come on, we want to go play." No playing. You guys, you being bad boy and a bad girl. So now you're gonna be stuck over here. The last couple months they've been giving me so much trouble, and I don't know what, 3-4 days ago they went to the neighbor property, tear down chicken coop and killed 6 chickens. I don't know who taught them do that. They never killed anything and they never eat it. I don't know why they did it, how they did it, who taught them, or maybe that wasn't them, maybe that was coyotes, but you know, they saw the dogs around, so they assume it. I don't know. But anyway, the channel not about that. So let's go to Leschwab, drop this truck off. Tomorrow they're gonna do alignment. I'll pick it up, and while they're gonna do alignment, I'm gonna start working on the flares.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Okay guys, I made it to Leschwab. Let's go there, drop a key, let them do alignment, come back and pick it up. That's it. The truck is dropped off, keys is dropped off. The truck is sitting there, looking beautiful. I love how this thing looks. Now I'm gonna go home and start working on the flares. I'll see you in the garage. Next day here guys, I already got the call from Leschwab. They told me the truck is ready, so I'm gonna go pick it up and I'm gonna go on this BMW. And honestly, I don't know how many of you guys know that this is my wife's first X6. It's been broken. I fixed it, I replaced the spark plugs, also alternator, and found the leak. So now it's fixed and needs alignment on the passenger side. Front wheel, I don't know what happened to it, but it's up the tire over there. So this will be dropped off, but the truck will be picked up, and hopefully my body is still in the shop, in his shop. I'm gonna be able to try program the heater unit. We'll see if that's gonna happen, but now let's go pick up the truck. The truck drives nice. With the alignment, man, definitely different truck. Drives straight, soft, the way it's supposed to. So I'm back home. Let's go get those flares out. Let's fix them. Probably gonna apply a filler and all of that and a primer. Prepare them for painting, and hopefully today is what, Thursday. Tomorrow I'm thinking to work on the heater unit. So maybe tomorrow, either Friday or Saturday, I'm gonna be painting them, but they need to be prepared first. So let's go do that. Okay guys, here's the fender flares, and this is the passenger side. broke off and broken, and this is the driver's side, same exact happening. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna grind this off nicely like so, and grind this off and make it nice. So whenever I'm gonna install it back on the truck, because I can fix this, but again on the deeper bump it'll break that off. Since it's gonna go like this, I think it'll fit perfectly. So that's what I'm gonna do, and same thing I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna grind this off a bit more, look this, and go over here, and probably gonna fix this crack or buy new ones, but the new one's gonna go for not for how long they gonna go for. Anyway, I'm gonna try fix this once and gonna work with them. If it's not gonna work out, I'll purchase two new front ones, or maybe all four ones, the one I want, poles instead of this thing sticking out. Basically same thing as my Dodge have. See, that's what I wanted. Like I said, I'm gonna try work with this if I can, and if it's gonna look ugly, I'm gonna replace it. But now what I need to do is I'm gonna need to get this rubber piece off. I already took off of this one, and also I'm gonna need to get the hardware off of the both of them. So let's do that right quick, and then let's begin with the trimming. Alright guys, you can see I already disassembled this flare. I'll take all the hardware, rubber piece, and that's how I fixed it. Basically grind it off, and I call this fix it. So that's how it's gonna be, that's how it's gonna leave. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a red Scotch-Brite, scuff and paste, hot water, and gonna sand all of it. I'm gonna sand everything possible on this fender flare. Shouldn't take that long and should be prepared for painting. So let's do that right quick and be done with it.
Tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an every point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of Benz coupe with the tent plan. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands, like I don't believe in new friends. Trail light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the world spin. Go for check, watch me double that. I get it lit, I watch it bubble up. Remember opening for shows, no a show, but I pulled through, I muscled up. Now the label one fuck with us. I spin the paper, let them know.
That's it. Both fender flares prepared. As you can see, there's few things I need to address. Still shiny spots, but that's gonna be an easy. This one is good. Here and there a few. Just basically those edges. But other than that, not bad at all. So that's obviously I'm not gonna be painting today. There's no way I'm gonna be painting. So everything is prepared. Tomorrow, hopefully, if I'm not gonna be working on the HVAC tomorrow, I'm gonna be painting. That's it for today. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's another beautiful day and I'm continuing working on the GMC. So what I wanted to do right now is hop in a truck and go to my buddy's shop. I'll get the scanner, and I think I have to reprogram those 3 sensors that on the heat unit to 0 gravity or something like that. I don't know. I don't know any of that, so that's something new gonna be for me. Let's go hook it up to a scanner and see what is it gonna tell us. Guys, I'm here at the body shop. I got the scanner over here. As you can see, you can actually HVAC actuator learn. I can do that, but only sad thing is I'm gonna have to drive home, and the reason behind it, you guys remember? Oh, you can't see anything. Oh, it's getting better now, maybe. But anyway, if you guys remember, I took the cover off, and now while I'm trying to program, it is skipping gears. So I'm gonna go home, put the cover on, and gonna do a relearn, and hopefully that will fix the issue. Only sad thing, I'm gonna have to drive another 40 minutes to return this scanner. Sucks. Anyway, at least I can do this right now. Let's go home and let's fix this issue. Hopefully it will be fixed and no problem. Okay, now it's asking to turn off and turn back on the ignition. Off, on, continue, continue. Okay, boom. Let's see. Okay, off, on. Anything gonna happen? Yes, no, maybe. Here we go. I don't know, nothing happening. I tried everything, and maybe not everything. I tried everything what I can think of. I don't know why I'm so unlucky with this truck, especially with the heater unit. What time is it? It's almost 10 o'clock. Oh man, I tried this, I tried that. So what happens is when I hook up this sensors, this is control sensors, control units. The one is under driver foot, another is under the passenger foot, and one is on top of the heater unit. So when I hook them up, I clean all the DTCs, all the codes that been stored in ECU. When I clear it, everything clears out, and everything like it's supposed to. The heater unit doesn't work. When you try to reprogram this to get the right angles, it start telling you that stuck. So all three of them getting stuck. I don't know why. So honestly, I don't know why it's showing it's getting stuck. And also, this heater unit was never disassembled, and I purchased it from Spalding's. It's a wrecking yard. I might gonna try it tomorrow and see if I can make it work. If not, that's gonna be bad news. I'm gonna have to pull the dash out, which I'm trying to avoid to doing it. I also fixed this stabilization control and angle sensor on it. Honestly, I should not took that sensor off. All I had to do is just plug the scanner and relearn it. Check it out, there's no more lights except the seatbelt and airbag. And like I told you guys, airbag is because the module over there is wrong, and the reason it's wrong because this have a little bit more options compared to this cap, the burn truck option. I did what I can, like I said. One issue fixed, but second issue it's not fixed. All gonna be digging more tomorrow and let you know what I decide. Bye for now.